Jim Pichler, Senior Solutions Architect at Cirrus Aircraft, and here we manufacture aircraft. We have jets and single propeller planes that we do, and we're a world's leader in our market. And I maintain the solution architecture for a number of systems across the company, including manufacturing systems and web presences, digital presence. Here at Cirrus Aircraft, we cannot have delays. We cannot have the floor shut down. Things have to be real time. They have to be stable, and they have to be going nearly 24/7. And so, as we searched the marketplace, we looked for middleware applications, and we found one in our space, which was Fiorano. Very nice footprint, very nice serving capability, very nice price for our area, for our market, and that's where we decided to go. And so we started with our ERP and manufacturing systems being real-time integrations. Since then, the Fiorano product has helped us really connect many different systems, including a huge system for us, which is Salesforce, our CRM solution. Instead of using 100 different middleware tools, we wanted to kind of solve for one and implement one. So Fiorano helped us do that. Another important thing at Cirrus Aircraft is the speed of implementation. We are not a huge IT shop, and so when we implement things, we want to implement things once and not have to go back to it and fix defects or fix issues with it and so forth. And so Fiorano has been a really stable product in that area, where we've been able to implement our event process flows, our logic, our implementations, our integrations, and really just be hands-off with them after implementation. So Fiorano has a really nice space in the market in terms of not being a huge player, but not being a small player. And I think based on that, they can provide support unlike many other companies can. In my experience with support, it's been pretty fantastic. It's been nearly real-time responses to the things that I need. It's been great for me to be able to respond to my business partners quickly like that as well. So that's a really nice aspect of the solution. With Fiorano eStudio, we're able to debug and plug and play very quickly within our development process, and it really makes the job of programming and then debugging, up from development and into production pretty snappy. So we've been a Fiorano customer for over 5 years now, and we've had a great experience with the technology. It's been very stable for us. We've been able to run a lot of different jobs, and we are very, very looking forward to the next 5 years.